Hi everybody, good to see you back again. Well, Clancy having a bit of a stretch there before he comes in for his trim. Clancy is the last horse I've ever ridden. The one that I came off and landed on my head. Probably be the last horse that I'll ever ride again. And he gave me a bit of curry today. It's haven't had a horse play up like this for a while. I don't know what's the matter with him. Anyway, enjoy. And by the way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment please if you would, and that all helps, generates a little bit of income to help keep the bikes. I may be looking for a home for some of them in the future, the way things are going, so anybody interested, let me know. Well, I only got half a battery here, so I don't know how long we're going to get. He's got pretty untidy feet. In fact, I might show them to you, and if nothing else, you can see them when I'm finished. Let's have a look here. Pretty untidy. Just a look here, Clancy, underneath. Come on. That's a boy. We'll get that. This one here, got a lot hanging off here. Just a look, Clancy. Come on. That's a boy. We'll have to get all that. That'll do. We'll get into it now. Come on. Come on. That's a boy. Well, the trim started out okay, but later on he sort of wore me out a little bit. Had to go and have a shower afterwards. We had rain last night too. You wouldn't think so. And this is a bloke, this Clancy here. It's the last horse that I've ridden. The last horse that I've fallen off. Probably the last horse I'll ever ride again. Steady up, steady. There you go, get a look. Back here. I guess the back feet aren't that bad really, just a bit untidy. I might be weighing myself a bit more than well, I need. I'm certainly showing my unfitness, probably from all these weeks doing nothing after the accident. Either that, or I'm really starting to show my age. The front ones look like they're going to be trouble. Bugger. Hand up! Hand up! Bit of a worry with the boy playing up like that. I really don't need any knocks or anything at this stage. Actually tripped over the other day and I think that might have set me back a little bit. The pain has been constant since the accident, but learning to put up with it a bit, I guess. We're going to go flat. I'm out of batteries and we're going flat. So thanks for watching. Come on. Come on. That's it, mate. Steady now. Steady now. What are you doing? You're a dickhead. Yeah. So look here. It's the worst one. Oi. That's a boy. Shit, that's bad enough too. Steady. Steady. Hey. You do it this way. You're a dickhead. Steady now. Steady. Good boy, stand up. You got really nervous, haven't you? Okay. Settle. Get your head. So look here. And this boy's playing up the treat. Come on. Geez, yeah, they need a sharpen on these. Steady. Steady. Good boy. Might get a treat after this, if you're lucky. Good boy, have a rest. Have a rest. Steady now. Steady. Good boy. Get the feet up here. That's a boy, feed that. He's playing up a treat this morning for some reason. So I'm going to call it quits on this blade when I do the next foot. I don't know if I'll have enough film to get a look at them all underneath here.